friends, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. This is Model Glamper here. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified on my next upload. So sit back and relax.
Hello, so this video is being sponsored by King 6 Ensemble. Let's get into this presentation of this beautiful fragrance that I'm about to showcase for you today. And this fragrance is called LAPREUVE, and it's French for the proof. So I went ahead and pre-opened it just to save some time, and so we won't prolong this video at all. So the bottle is very beautiful. It's like it has different colors in the design and things like that. It's like abstract art. That's what the design looks like to me, and it smells amazing. It invokes tranquility. It invokes beauty. It invokes peace. And let me share with you what the notes are. The notes are woody, floral, fresh, fruity, musty, amber, powdery, balsamic, earthy, and patchouli. And this is not a designer fragrance. This is a niche fragrance, and it's along the lines of Baccarat Rouge 540, Bond number 9, and Creed along those corridors right there. So this one I'm about to showcase to you is an infinity scarf. Check out the box. The packaging is very nice. A lot of thought went into it. So I also pre-opened this, so just to save time, as I stated before, and I just took out the plastic, and the scarf is nice. It's nice and soft, and you can just tie around your neck, like tie in the back. You can wear it different ways. You can wear the tie in the back. You can wear it on the side, the left or the right, and yeah, it's just nice. And it so happens to go with what I'm showcasing in this video, what I'm wearing, the dress that I'm wearing. So it goes with it perfectly. I love it. And I have a link that will link down at the bottom, so you can purchase the fragrance and you'll get the scarf along with the fragrance. And I want to thank King 6 Ensemble for choosing me to showcase this video for you. And I appreciate it. Thank y'all for y'all continued support. And the picture that I'm about to show of the scarf, of the fragrance, and you see all the detail in the bottle just to show you what it looks like and things like that. And there goes that scarf. So let me know what y'all think down at the bottom, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you for your continued support.